Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Mixed Vids. Today I'm bringing you into my home to introduce the Google Home. Well, let's start off with some basic questions. Okay Google, say hi to everyone.
Hey buddy, how can I help?
Okay Google, how is the weather today?
Today in Brampton, it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 6 and a low of 4. Currently it's 6 and cloudy.
Okay Google, what's my name?
Your name is Mark.
Google also has the ability to set reminders. Hey Google, remind me to work out tomorrow.
Alright, work out. This will be for tomorrow. At what time?
At 5 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Okay Google, tell me a joke.
Why do astronaut bees get married? So they can go on honeymoon.
It can also walk you through recipes. Hey Google, let's bake some cookies.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Thick and Chewy Chocolate Chip Cookie from Let the Baking Begin. This recipe serves 16 and takes about 35 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
That's perfect, Google. Google can also make phone calls for you. Okay, Google, call my wife.
Mobile or work?
Mobile.
Calling Elaine Walker, mobile. Hello?
It can also turn on your lights. Okay, Google, turn on the living room light.
Sure, turning the living room lamp on.
Also, turn on your lights in the house. Okay, Google, turn on the hallway light.
You got it, turning on the hallway light.
Okay, Google, change the light to purple.
Sure, changing the hallway light to purple.
Okay, Google, change the light to blue.
Sure, changing the hallway light to blue.
Okay, Google, change the hallway light to orange at 50%.
Sure, changing the hallway light to orange.
By clicking on the Google Home app, you can set routines.
In Brampton tomorrow, it'll be rainy, with a high of 10 and a low of 6. What time should I set the alarm for?
6:30 a.m.
Good night, Mark.
Okay, Google, say bye to everyone.
Goodbye.
Thanks again, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave any comments down below. Later.